Hey guys, it's Mr. Budgets checking in. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are winning at your stock market game. Hope all of you guys are celebrating your little wins. Today we're just going to do a little weekly check-in on the stock, see what prices everything is trading at. Today is April 22nd. Can you see that? Alright. So, I'm interested in NCGO. Y'all know me, that's my top dog, NCGO. That's my number one right there. I believe in NCGO right now. Let's see, Groupon is at 96 cents. Also with these are the stocks that I own. I'm gonna write in parentheses. I have 5 shares at an average cost of 49 average. Then I'm actually gonna write out the prices that I bought them at. But at $11.93, $11.21, $11.77, $11.46, and $11.08. That way I know if I check in again and the price is lower, then if say I check in again in 2 weeks and I see NCGO's $10.50, I would probably go ahead and buy another one at $10.50 because that would be good if I believe NCGO would go back up. Or if NCGO is on its way down and I feel like it's about to die down, you know, I could catch it if it's at 11, say it's at 11.80 something. I say, okay, I bought it at 11.93. All right, it's dipping down some more, 11.77. Maybe I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of it before I lose too much money. All right, so Groupon, going on to Groupon. Groupon is at 96 cents right now. I have 2 shares at an average of 90 cents, and I believe they were both 90. So 2 at 90 cents. All right, another one that I'm interested in is RTER Pharmaceuticals, and I've had RTER before. If I go back to my last note sheet. Sorry, still a new planner, still getting used to where everything's at. Alright, so RTER, last time I checked, haven't checked in a while. Well, I've checked, but I haven't written it down in my planner. Need to try to make actual writing it down in my planner an actual thing. Alright, so last time I checked, RTER was at 27 cents. Now RTER is at 28. So it's pretty much the same. RTER is pretty much the same. Now let me go back to today's. So what I'm gonna do to make this even more functional, and I actually literally just came up with this, I'm gonna write RTER, the update, with a green pen to let me know that RTER is actually doing pretty good at 28 cents. Let's see. RTER, how's RTER been acting over time? Let's see. I put RTER on the microscope March 18th. Okay, yeah, so March 18th, RTER was at 19 cents. I checked back in March 20th, RTER was at 27 cents. And now today, April 22nd, RTER is at 24 cents. So I'm gonna mark that in green. 0.28, I'm gonna get technical and go 284. Let's see, how's it been? Oh, and this 28 is a little spike. Let's see. That's pretty much been roughly 28, 27 this whole time. Let's see, it's gotten up to 30. And that's when I sold it at. I had RTER, and today I'm actually glad I sold it. I sold it at, I believe, was it 30? It was close to 30. Yeah, that was a good move. That was another good move. I've been making good moves at this little stock market thing, even though I don't really know what I'm doing. Let's see. Aurora Cannabis. Aurora was 67 cents. And then they went to 75 cents. And Aurora today, if I could find today's notes. Alright, Aurora today is 71 cents. So they actually went down from 75. So I'm going to write Aurora in red. Put them in the red at 71 cents. Alright, so that's how Aurora has been acting. That's pretty much all I'm really, let's see. GoPro, I'm interested in GoPro. Let me see what GoPro's at. GoPro's at 276. Let's see, I started GoPro, it was at, let's see, what was it at? That first check-in, I had no clue what I was doing because I didn't write down any of these prices. Oh, yeah, I did. Let's see. All right, so yeah, I was clearly fresh in the game and did not know how to keep track. I'm still trying to figure out a good way to keep track of it. So any of you planner people or, you know, organizational folks, if you guys have any way to like get this stock stuff organized, you're, you know, much appreciated and greatly needed. There's a void. Let's see, GoPro. Let's see, 219, and then they went to 248, and then 275. GoPro is on the move. I think I'm about to get some GoPro. GoPro is on the move at 275. That's pretty much a benefit of tracking the stocks over time. So you see GoPro, all right, so I didn't have it on March 13th, but on March 18th, GoPro was $2.19. March 20th, GoPro was $2.48. Today, April 22nd, GoPro is $2.75. Let's see, they've gotten up to $2.82. Let's see, $2.86, $2.90, $2.98, $2.99. So they've gone up to $3. So I think I'm about to go ahead and hop on some GoPro. Right now, GoPro is $2.76. Right now they're in a little decline, so I don't know. I think I want to go ahead. I think I want to wait a little bit to see how low that goes, because 276 over the last week they've been 276, 280, 276, 273, 275. All right, so they were 280 something on Monday. Today's Wednesday. They're 286. Let's see. They were 255. Let's see. They were 255 on April 16th. And then they jumped up to 270 something. Let's see, over the last month, let's see. April 14th, they were 308, 288, 220. Over the last 3 months, they're coming down. Well, of course, because of the virus thing, but over the last year, they're going down. Over the last 5, they're going down. I don't know. I think this was GoPro. I don't believe in them to keep money in them long term right now. Like, I probably wouldn't have made that jump in at 240. Well, that'd be like 30 some cent though right there. But if you just get one stock of it, and at $2 you can afford to get like maybe 3, 4, and get like maybe $2, $3. GoPro, that's a call. That's why it's on my watch list. That's why I have GoPro on my watch list at $275. So next time I check in, I'll see if it went up from $275 back to $3, or if it continued to drop back down. That's one part. That's why I'm interested in the stock market and learning and trying to figure out how I can grow money within this stock market game. All right, GoPro. Let's see, what else would I be interested in? Marathon Oil, still interested in Marathon Oil just to see what's up with the oil. That's right now, they said during the coronavirus that toilet paper is worth more than a barrel of oil. Oil is worth, the price of a barrel of oil is less than $1. They say, or less than $0. However, I don't really know how that could be technically possible, but it's what I've heard on the news. I don't know if it's fake news, real news, who knows these days, but it is what it is. All right, Marathon Oil. That was my very first stock, so that's why I'm pretty much still keeping up with it. Let's see, I first bought it at $3.82 March 13th. Then it went to $3.60 March 18th. $3.55 March 20th. Today, April 22nd, it is at $4.47. Marathon Oil, $3.50. Oh, should have kept that. Right? Marathon Oil is in the green at $4.47. So they're going up. That would be a consideration for them. They look like, actually, they look like they might be going back up. I think right now might be a good, well, So you never know with this coronavirus whether or not to predict whether a stock is going to be going up or down long term. You never know, because what if, all right, so now Georgia is about to reopen. What if everything goes back to normal and all the stocks go ahead and start rising and you waited too late to jump into it? Now you can't really reap the real benefits of it. But what if you jump in, if you decide to jump in and Georgia opens everything back up and the virus just takes over everything and everything shuts back down again and everything just crashes totally? What if it's even worse this time? You never know in the stock. You never know. So, you know, this is why I'm trying to learn this stuff, trying to get into it, trying to learn these trends. Let's see, what else am I interested in? Really, like, this is like the list that I'm following. NCGO, Groupon, RTER, Aurora, GoPro, Marathon Oil. And these are this is what I can afford. I'm also interested in like the Netflix and Facebook and all that, but that's too rich for my blood, so I'm gonna stick to things that's less than $20. Basically less than $10, less than $5. Like, it really has to be something that I really believe in for it to be more than $10. i.e. NCGO. But that's gonna wrap up today's video. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Mr. Budget's checking out. I wish you all success and many wins at the stock market game. Bye.